Hi, everybody. Great to have you guys again. Been a while. So, real quickly, I just wanted to give you some insight. Currently, it was stated that over 6,000 doctors left Nigeria in the last 8 years. What it means is that Nigeria have a doctor's problem. It is difficult to see a doctor because most of the doctors are going abroad. In fact, before doctors finish their final exam, they're already writing exams to go work abroad. So, how do we solve this problem? At first, we should be able to set our economy aright. And secondly, government should be able to create an enabling environment so that doctors will be able to stay back. And how do we do that? By fixing the hitherto structural problems, fighting insecurity. Yes, we have removed subsidy, which is good, but also give people palliatives. Also, we're trying to convert the currency rate, yes, which is good, but most importantly, what you should also do is to try as much as possible to increase our dollarized earnings. And how do you do that? Give aid to manufacturing sector and other sectors of the economy that bring dollar in. Spur growth, spur economic growth, liberalize our economy, open it up. Anyway, economy is liberal already, and ensure that we get more investors in as much as possible to be able to bring foreign flows. I mean, if we can do that, then try as much as possible to bring about reforms in various sectors, remove multiple taxation from companies, impact the medical sector, give subventions or waivers to be able to import medical materials and the likes, and help as much as possible to be able to develop the medical sector. If we develop the medical sector, we can have a medical sector that is a sizable part of our GDP. In America, I think the medical sector is a sizable part of their GDP, over $3 trillion worth of sector. So we can do a whole lot of that and also help boost our economy. And if we do that, then all the doctors that are growing abroad can come back. And I know, someday soon, when they see that the economy starts to work, they'll come back. Because you see, most of the people that developed the Indian medical system was predominantly diasporan people. In the 80s, the likes of them, Dr. Devi Shetty, saw that there were some reforms in the 90s being made, and they decided to come back to develop the medical sector in India. I think those are some of the things we can do to keep our doctors back. It's going to be well with